Sorry for the horrible quality. I'm not a YouTuber, but I just wanted to share a little tip for how to put these N64 controllers back together. I found it's kind of nice to take a wire tie and make a loop that's just bigger than the stick, so you can quickly like loop it around it when you need to. And then you take your little spring thing and shove it on there, and then you shove this thing on here. See? Yeah, like that. And then take your wire tie and get it about there, and now that'll hold the tension for you. It makes it a little easier. Actually, you get that big piece in there. That should work now. It just kind of makes it a little easier. Actually, this is what it's supposed to look like. Then you can line those pieces up the right way and shove them in there without having to hold it with like every finger you have. So actually, I didn't get it on film, but I think the easiest way is to do what I did and then take that other black U-shaped piece that goes in the bowl and stick that on there and kind of just do it like sideways. It'll hold on there really good. You just align everything, make sure those gears on the black pieces line up with the little encoder wheel things on the inside, and then you just stick it together. It's real easy with that wire tie on there. And this is the stuff I used for inside. Somebody recommended it for arcade parts. It's really good.